Birds facts. From brilliantly colored hummingbirds to farting thrushes, birds are among the most beautiful and bizarre creatures on earth. Some ravens are even better than parrots at mimicking human speech, not to mention sounds from the human world like car engines revving or toilets flushing. In the wild, meanwhile, ravens sometimes imitate other animals, mimicking predators like wolves or foxes to attract them to tasty carcasses they are unable to break open on their own. Ostriches are the largest of any animal that lives on land, though they can't rival some of the massive creatures that inhabit the depths of the sea. Cardinals, along with several other bird species, sometimes cover themselves in crushed or living ants, smearing them over their feathers, or allowing living ants to crawl on them. While scientists still aren't sure what the purpose of anting is, some believe the birds use the formic acid secreted during their ant bath to help get rid of lice and other parasites. But they've also been known to simply swallow smaller animals, from insects to mice, whole. Owls then regurgitate pellets full of indigestible elements of their meal like animal bones and fur. Native to New Zealand, kiwis are a bizarre, land-bound bird. Believed to be the first domesticated bird, pigeons were used for millennia to deliver messages, including important military information, and the outcome of the early Olympic Games. While most parrots only learn around 50 words, some African grey parrots have been known to learn hundreds. Worm-eating Bussian thrushes have been known to dislodge their prey from piles of leaves by directing their farts at them. While penguins might stand out on land, underwater their black and white coloring helps them stay hidden from both predators and prey. On land, meanwhile, their black backs may stand out sharply against the snowy landscape, but in most regions, the birds face so few predators on land, it's unnecessary to try to blend into the background. Though they disappear after 3 months, young Watsing, also known as stink birds for their unique stench, have 2 claws on each wing, which they can use to climb across tree branches or pull themselves out of water onto dry land. The claws also help chicks hide from predators. After jumping from their nest into the water below, the little Watsing swim some distance, then pull themselves on land with their claws. When the coast is clear, they use their claws to climb up onto a tree branch. Budgerigas, or budgies, a common parakeet, are the only bird species so far discovered who are susceptible to contagious yawning. While humans, dogs, chimps, lab rats, and a few other creatures have all been known to catch each other's yawns, budgies are the first non-mammal species observed exhibiting the behavior.